Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Newsbrowse News broadcast. According to People's Daily Online, the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, has confirmed that no radiation risk was detected at Iranian facilities in Khondab and Khuzestan following attacks on Friday. Iran informed the IAEA that its heavy water production plant in Khondab, which contains no declared nuclear material, was hit, but no radiation risk was identified. Additionally, a steel production facility in Khuzestan province, which utilizes sealed radioactive sources like cobalt-60 and cesium-137 for industrial gauging, was also attacked. The IAEA verified that there was no release of radiation beyond that site. These strikes occurred amidst a nearly month-long conflict involving the U.S., Israel, and Iran, which began on February 28th, with heavy fighting continuing and no ceasefire breakthrough reported. Jinhuanet has issued a flash report indicating that explosions have been heard in Damascus, the capital city of Syria. This breaking news alert provides initial information about an urgent situation unfolding in the region. Further details regarding the cause, location, and potential impact of these reported explosions are not immediately available, and the situation remains under close observation. A Chinese military spokesperson, Zhai Shichen, on Friday urged the Philippine side to strictly control its maritime and air troops, immediately cease all provocative and risky acts, and stop its smear campaigns and propaganda. This call from China.org.cn comes after an incident on March 25th in which a Philippine Navy ship, 507, allegedly made an unsafe and unprofessional approach towards a Chinese Navy ship, Plunges 532, which was conducting a routine patrol near Zubijao of China's Nansha Qundao. The Chinese spokesperson stated that Plunges 532 initiated radio communications to warn the Philippine vessel, but Ship 507 ignored repeated reminders, adjusting its course and making a deliberate turn that dangerously disrupted Plunges 532's navigation. The Chinese ship took professional steps to avoid an accident. China claims the Philippines then falsely accused the Chinese ship of a dangerous approach. The People's Liberation Army Southern Theater Command remains on high alert, vowing to defend China's territorial sovereignty, security, and stability in the South China Sea. The U.S. Consumer Confidence Index experienced a significant 6% drop in March, reaching its lowest level since December 2025. This downturn, reported by Link of his Dotball citing survey data from the University of Michigan, is largely attributed to surging fuel prices and heightened financial market volatility. The ongoing conflict involving Iran is further exacerbating the situation. The March final reading for consumer confidence stood at 53.3, a notable decrease from February's 56.6. Consumers' expectations for fuel prices over the next year reportedly quintupled compared to February, hitting their highest point since June 2022. Furthermore, expectations for personal financial situations declined by 10%, with 47% of consumers feeling a heavy burden from rising prices. The short-term economic outlook plummeted by 14%, and approximately 61% of consumers anticipate a rise in unemployment over the coming year. Inflation expectations for the next year also climbed from 3.4% in February to 3.8% in March, marking the largest single-month increase since April 2025. Approximately two-thirds of the survey interviews were conducted after the U.S. and Israel initiated large-scale military operations against Iran on February 28. Ethiopia's flagship Invest in Ethiopia high-level business forum recently concluded in Addis Ababa, securing investment agreements totaling over $13 billion US. This fourth edition, themed Ethiopia Ready for Business, attracted hundreds of global investors and business leaders. The forum resulted in 7 investment deals spanning mining, manufacturing, real estate, and renewable energy, with significant participation from investors in China, Kenya, India, and Poland. Ethiopian Minister of Finance Ahmed Shide highlighted the forum's role in reflecting Ethiopia's strategic shift towards targeted investment attraction and robust regulatory reforms to foster exports, job creation, and economic transformation. Chinese enterprises were noted for accounting for the largest share of the signed deals. Chinese ambassador to Ethiopia Chen Hai reaffirmed the strong China-Ethiopia strategic partnership, underscoring China's long-standing position as Ethiopia's largest trading partner and source of foreign direct investment. The forum aims to reinforce Ethiopia's reputation as an attractive investment destination in Africa. This news is reported by People's Daily Online. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.